Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode. This is Molives here, Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Woo, baby. Super psyched today, guys. As you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, your boy is about to be in a commercial. What? Let's go. Who? Me? Yeah? I mean, I don't know who thought it was a good idea to put me in a commercial, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it all day, guys. We just landed at LAX.
I hopped up the plane at LAX with a dream, my cardigan.
And yeah, so I'm walking over to the hotel right now, guys. I am so psyched. So I do know that one of my other friends is gonna be in the shoot with me today. Her name's Esmeralda. You guys remember Esmeralda? Roll the clip. But she's back. Hello, Esmeralda. Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah. And oh, are you done? Are you good? Wow.
Now I'm gonna be awkward, okay?
Now you're just gonna be awkward, huh?
It's gonna be awkward.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and show you guys what it's like in a commercial shoot. Take you guys along with the journey. If you guys aren't part of the family, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video. And say what up to Esmeralda. You guys remember Esmeralda. She can't get enough of the FaceTime. But who you don't know, woo, what up, girl? Guys, this is Ruby. You wanna introduce yourself to 10 million people?
Hi, 10
Camera shy. Camera shy. Girl, you know what we're about to do, right?
Super stoked.
Super stoked?
Yes.
How you feeling going into it? I mean, it's just a fitting today. A lot of nerves?
Yes.
Okay. How you feeling, Esmeralda?
Nervous.
Why is everyone so nervous? My goodness. Oh my goodness. Have you met my boy? This is my boy Stretch.
Hi,
Stretch, Esmeralda Stretch. I can't think of a reason they would call him Stretch.
No idea.
He's only like 7'12". Right. It's no big deal. It's whatever. Alright guys, this is what we're doing right here. We're just taking some pics. Taking some pics for tomorrow. Do I look like a chotch? Probably not. Probably not. Oh man, that was tough. That was tough. Yeah, man. Say what up to 10 million people, man.
10 million?
Yeah, bro.
That's a lot of people.
That's a lot of people, bro. I know, man.
10 million. Wow.
Maybe, I don't know, maybe.
Or 10.
This is gonna be the one video that hits 10 mil. Yeah.
Or 10.
Or 10, yeah. You know.
I got you.
Oh, hey, shush, go. You already talking Alright guys, so this is the wardrobe for like the whole entire commercial, which we still don't really know what we're doing yet. But apparently, baseball, we got bathing suits, baseball uniforms. I honestly don't really know how to put that together with flight attendants, but maybe it's like, oh, maybe it's the Hawaii. Ooh, maybe. I don't know. I can't put it all together. All right, guys, we're rolling out. Check out these rock stars. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you before, so we're all hanging out here. We just grabbed some food here, and we're just hanging out right now. But when we were at the fitting earlier today, we really have no word on like what we're going to be doing tomorrow. We know the shoot is somewhere, possibly at the airport tomorrow night, but we don't really have too many details. So now we're getting emails, we're getting phone calls. Apparently we're going to be getting paid for our time here today, which is fantastic to me. So we're getting called one by one to figure out what time we have to be back at the airport tomorrow. I have no idea. What's up?
So what was this? I know what I'm talking about.
Perfect. Marilla's always good.
How about wardrobe change number 3? Oh snap! Alright guys, it is actually the next night, and we are about to wait right now. We're about to get picked up from the shuttle to go to the airport because I guess the shoot is at the airport tonight. We got split up into 2 different groups. So it's me, Esmeralda, and Lexi that are going in the later session or something. We're gonna meet up with the crew in a second. Whew. Man, I am so hyped right now. Oh my goodness. Woo! I don't know how much I can actually film on set, so I'm gonna try and get what I can for you guys. I gotta at least, show, the makeup, the hair getting done. That'd be sick. I don't know. I'm so hyped. It's currently 9 p.m. right now, but they said dinner is gonna be at 1:30 in the morning. So like, I feel like we're not gonna get done until like 5 a.m. I don't know. Whew, I'm feeling good though. Let's see how everyone else is feeling right now. Oh snap, look at Lexi. What's good?
Hey, man.
How you feeling, girl?
I'm okay. I ain't ready yet. I'm just looking a little scraggly, but it's okay.
Nah, you good, girl. You good? How you feeling? How you feeling?
I'm feeling good. How was your day?
My day was fantastic. I had a good day.
What did you do? Did you go to the beach?
I went to the beach. I met up with a friend. But back to, you know, how you feeling? Like, are you good? Are you nervous? Are you excited? How's this going before? Like, your family's gonna watch this video, of course. They're subscribed to the channel.
I'm a little nervous, but once the cameras hit, it's a dance.
Boom. Okay. Okay. Look at all the confetti. Oh, she got it in the bag. Okay. Yeah, so I spent my check already.
Okay, and what did you spend?
I bought sunglasses. All right, guys, you remember that I dropped my sunglasses? I dropped them off the balcony. So obviously, when a man runs into a little bit more money, he has to buy more sunglasses.
So that's what you did. What kind did you get?
I got some more Oakleys. They're different Oakleys though. I'll show you guys tomorrow. I'll show you guys tomorrow. But yeah, I got Oakleys.
Okay.
I had to do it. I had to do it. I had to do it on them.
You had the money, why not?
I know. Well, yeah, I ain't got the money anymore, but like I had it like a little bit ago. Our ride has arrived. Woo, Mike, what's up, man? What's up, man? Ooh, new car smell. New car smell. Who this? Ladies, don't let it go to your head.
Okay.
Don't let it go to your head, ladies.
I think it's kind of yours.
They like
Today, Junior!
this new car smell. I'm gonna definitely say that. What's up, Mikey?
How's it going?
Stoked, man. Stoked. I don't know what to say, but stoked.
I've been flying in and out, in and out. I've been flying in and out, in and out. I've been flying in and out, in and out. I've been flying in and out, in and out of state.
Watch the feet, watch the feet, watch the feet. Oh, 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 oh. This is Roxy. She's gonna make me look beautiful.
Nice to
Make me look beautiful, Roxy.
I will, but first I have to put you in this chair.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I know. I try to get on my high horse a lot.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
Whoa, wait. What are you talking about? Come on.
Next,
Yes,
Oh, man,
I
baby.
love it.
That's my color. That's my color, baby. How did you know? It's a print. Oh, wait, it's a leopard. It's a leopard. Right.
Depends what time it is.
Yeah. My watch doesn't work, but
Does your watch really not work?
no.
Okay, that's cool.
Don't get me wrong, it's pretty cool to be on TV, so all the folks back home can see me, and that I'm living it out, all the things I used to dream about.
Am I pretty?
You're perfect.
Yeah? No makeup?
that's me.
Oh, so hair, makeup.
Yeah.
It's two different things.
You can sit there and let me just do one
So
more
guys,
little
hair and
thing.
makeup is apparently two different things. I mean, I knew that, but it was like hair and makeup. It's like
If I'm gonna be famous for something, I wanna be famous for loving you. Famous for loving you. Famous for loving. I wanna be famous for something, I wanna be famous for loving you. Famous for loving you. Famous for loving you.
Roxy is a certified rock star, guys. The hair is done. This is Roxy's information right here if you guys want her hair done. You come to Beverly Hills. Roxy will do you up real nice. You ready for your big day? Did you already shoot?
No, not yet.
Not yet? Okay, okay.
I'm next though. I'm shoot 2.
Oh, shoot 2. I like that. Did you put lipstick on stretch too?
You got lipstick?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, yes you do. No, I don't got lipstick. I got black lips.
Oh, alright. Well, actually, I
Black
walked
lips
in
on
with
my
this
lipstick.
though.
We got chapstick.
You got food on your chin.
Oh, snap. Little flavor saver. Who knew I had so many pimples on my face? Ez, what are you laughing at? Did you say?
My turn.
Oh, your turn. Okay. Okay. Had the makeup done and my lips, as you know, obviously. But yeah, everyone's just here. We're at one of the gates of the airport. This is all the, we got some wardrobe over here. And we got a bunch of actors, a bunch of extras over here. Is it going to your head
I
yet?
still love this camera. Like, this camera makes me look so good.
Oh, snap. What about me? Oh my
You
God.
look.
I look like a ghost, I'm not gonna lie. But you just got back from Bali.
Yes.
Thailand, actually.
Thailand and Indonesia.
Oh. Mm. Woo!
That's for you.
This is delicious.
Good, good. You got it?
And
after you drink
you.
it, everybody please check your teeth.
Oh,
Here you go.
I get mine there.
That's good.
Yes, straw for me.
Oh yeah, you don't want to mess up your lipstick. Right, you're right, Stretch. Stretch. I'm not wearing.
Thank you, girl.
Maybe I am. I don't know. We got smoothies on set, you know. Smoothies for the squad. Boom. Smoothie life, set life. You know, it's just something that happens. You know, it's not a big deal. I mean, we're gonna be a commercial. Ruby Rockstar.
Back to California.
Oh my
I'll
god.
let you know.
Oh snap.
Back to California.
So you're done?
I'm done.
Let's go. That's a wrap. Wow.
What an awesome
Damn,
experience.
you look
I'm
good, girl. You look good.
Thank
So
you.
you said back to California?
Back to California.
Wow, that was the big line.
That was it.
Oh snap! I'm like touching my face and like I got makeup on my face.
Yeah. How's everything going? How's
Yeah,
the
well, you know, beach was good. I did the hair and the makeup thing. I don't know if you could tell. Can you tell?
Looks great.
Yeah? Think so? Yo, Stretch, what did I tell you, man? Don't sweat it, man. Don't sweat it.
I stay shining.
Don't yeah, stay shining. Man, I'm gonna need to come in here with some sunglasses, bro. You got the outfit right now, and you're like, yo, Miles, where are you gonna change? I don't know, where am I?
4 hours a day and is available to current members of the military
Okay.
and their family members.
It's a changing tent. I might live in here.
On behalf of
Hopefully
You
no one
might.
else like pulls this up.
thank you for your service to our nation.
See you guys in 3, 2, 1. Changed up, let's go. 3 a.m. in the morning right now. We already ate. How did you? Yeah, guys, there's a full kitchen in there. Yo, Stretch, what are you doing?
I'm a flight attendant.
What are you doing with my wings, dog?
Let's go like this, go.
Alright, so Stretch isn't actually a flight attendant, so he just took my wings. Like, bro, I got no wings. So I said, Stretch, you know what? Since I'm a good guy, you can take my wings for a little bit.
I'm just pretending.
He's just playing one on TV. Oh, say what up, bro. Connor, right?
Yeah, what up?
Actual traditional actors we got here. And then you got, you know, Joe Schmo over here. Alright guys, we gotta go. It's showtime. Wish me luck. Mwah.
It can't end that way. 6 entire seasons for that. Hello. What are we doing with our lives? Right now, people are out in the world doing things. Out where? I don't know. Mexico? Central America? The Caribbean? Hi, would you like something to drink? Low fares to tropical destinations so you can finally stop streaming. Or not. That's transparency.
Oh my god, guys, I was so sick. Oh my goodness. I'm feeling good. And it is currently 4 a.m. right now. And you still haven't even gone yet. It was
Nope.
sick. How did I do?
You did great.
Yeah?
Yes.
Actually?
You did great.
Stop. Oh my goodness, guys. So that was it. I was in my first commercial today. Woo, baby! Ma, we're going to Hollywood. Baby. Okay. Maybe not. It was super cool. You still have to go.
Yeah.
It's 4:30 and you still haven't even started yet. In the morning. Bro, you want to plug? Right now, man? Yeah, what's up, man? Plug, like, Instagram, whatever you want, bro. Pretty boy Floyd 80. Pretty, no it's not. I swear. What? Bro, it's like you're like a screen name from like AOL. That's cool, man. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, that is it right now for the commercial shoot. It's a wrap, even though yeah, so our flight back to Vegas leaves at 12.
Yeah.
So it's 4:30 now. You still have to go. You might miss the flight.
Hey.
No, you're not gonna miss the flight. I know a guy.
run it.
I know a guy who's a flight attendant. You know, he can hook you up. He's in commercials. All right, Miles. No, it's actually the morning right now. Yo, all right, guys. I'm gonna FaceTime my parents right now and tell them where I am and what's going on right now.
Smoking is prohibited in designated
I'm trying to vlog
areas
here. Yo, Ma, what's up?
Oh my god, this is real.
I know, right? Well, I had some news I wanted to tell you.
Okay.
So, I haven't slept yet. I've been in the airport all night in LA. Filming for a commercial. commercial, baby.
Passenger Ricardo
Let's go. Yeah.
May I have your attention,
Your
please?
boy's face is gonna
All
be on the
travelers,
big screen.
if any unknown
baby.
person attempts to give you any item.
Peace, peace, peace. Ooh, let's go, baby. All right, so Babs and Frank now. Guys, it's so cool. Honestly, I'm glad I could vlog this whole entire thing for you. Like, I'm so psyched. This is like the coolest thing ever. Thank you so much, Esmeralda. You're the best, girl. That's what I'm talking about. And you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.